If you want to power off your Samsung Galaxy A27 without touching the screen because, for example, it is broken, it doesn't work, or for any other reason, then in that case, we will have to, first of all, force restart your phone, and then in the meantime, go to the recovery mode. Now, in order to do that, we also need a USB cable and a computer, or laptop, of course. We will have to connect our phone to our computer, just like that. And once you do so, you will have to perform force restart, which we can do by pressing and holding the power button and volume down button. And we have to hold both of these buttons until the screen shuts down. So let's get right into it. And also, actually, before I actually do that, once that happens, once the screen shuts down, you will have to press and hold power and volume up. And you will have to hold until you go to the recovery mode. So now we can go straight into it. So press power and volume down, and keep holding all the time until the screen shuts down. Usually it takes like 7 seconds or so. And then we can switch to the power and volume up, and just keep holding both of these buttons all the time until you go to the recovery mode. So even if you see the Samsung logo, you still want to hold both of these buttons, power and volume up. And it seems that Samsung Galaxy A27 actually takes a little bit of time to force restart fully. As you can see, nothing happens, but that is okay. We just have to wait. We just have to patiently hold and wait. There we go. Now the phone finally turns on. We have the Samsung logo, but I'm still holding power and volume up. And there we go. Now we are in the recovery mode. Now here we can unplug the cable. And now in this menu, we navigate by using volume buttons. And you want to make sure that the power off option is selected. Once you select the power off option over here, press power button to confirm. And then the phone is going to turn off. Now, the next time you turn the phone back on, you will be back into the recovery mode. So let me just quickly show you. And there we go. Now, in case you go back to the recovery mode, if you want to go back to the normal mode, if you want to exit this mode, you want to choose Reboot System Now. So just press power button, and then the phone is going to restart, and you will go back to the normal mode again. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.